Welcome to Snap Vision, a web application that transforms your baseball video to life through computer vision. Today's game is driven by data. Every movement, decision, every fraction matters. Until now, advanced analytics required expensive equipment, countless hours of manual tracking. Dugout Vision changes everything. Using just standard video, our AI transform any baseball footage into professional-grade analytic. Measure exit velocity and launch angles. Let's dive in, see how it works. At the heart of Dugout Vision is this simple video analyzer. As we play it,
Well, when you don't have good stuff, but I think that's the part. When you see him with a little extra
just bending, it's folding.
life on his fastball, you almost
Pattern.
predict it's going to be a good night.
That's trouble.
Dugout Vision takes your original video and
Not big trouble. Marwin Gonzalez hurting the Mariners yet again. For Gonzalez's third home run against him.
get instant access to the metrics that matter. See the game differently. Vision takes your original video and slices it into frames. Then it applies a ball position effect to each slice for velocity speed. Upload your footage and get instant access to the metrics that matter. See the game differently.